What's up, everybody? Groggy D, how you doing today? Today we've got something unique. We've got 3 cakes all together. It's gonna be a 3-in-1 today, and we're gonna link them together because these are Chain Link brand cakes. Goliath, Orbital Drift, Good Mojo, 200 gram, 200 gram, 360 gram, 20 shots, 17 and 18 shots. Let's have a little look at these cakes. There's quite a bit to look at on them, so I'll go quick here. These are, of course, the Chain Link cakes. Bought these at Sky King. Goliath has gold-tailed, purple and orange and white strobe, green and red spider, gold-tailed, a red and yellow stars with green strobe, red and green spider, gold-tailed, lemon and sky blue with time rain. These tubes are not really that full for an expensive 200 gram cake. 30 bucks I paid at Sky King. That's 60, but I paid 30. Orbital Drift is a hexagonal 5-sided cake. So all bores, all big bores, but again, they're not really full. I don't see the shots. This is a very tall cake, though. I don't know if you would be able to see them. You've got crackling tail to orange peony and lace and silver lace, glittering tail to purple peony and gold strobe, crackling tail to purple peony and silver lace, glittering tail to purple peony and gold strobe, purple strobe star to double spider chrysanthemum. We got a speed of medium, so it's going to be kind of like a. Of course, they all say this mid-show, or this is the only one that. This is the only one that says start. By the way, this one's a little slower too, so this one goes a little slower to start. We get a little faster. This is mid-show again. Good mojo. Gold tail to time ring crown with red strobe, V-shaped gold tail to red dahlia with chrysanthemum, and a gold tail to time ring crown with green strobe, V-shaped gold tail to red dahlia with chrysanthemum, gold tail to time rain crown with red and green strobe. Mid-show, 360 powder weight, speed medium. Again, so we're talking like 25 seconds or so, maybe 30. Here's the look at these angled shots. We're gonna connect the cakes right here. It's a little gerb here, sets off the fuse underneath. There's the pink fuse, never like that. You're gonna wanna set it up like this, face it towards the audience on this one. These are gonna be like this, or however you can manage it. And then what you do is you take the fuse, which is right here, and light that one right there. Now, one question I have, should I get a 4th finale cake for this great assortment, to have a 500 gram finale cake? Folks, I'm back with a major stash update. As you can see, the chain has gone one more link. Firebird finale cake. This is 24 shots. And this is an angled cake as well. A really nice Firebird on it, something cool. These others don't have a lot of artwork on them. Very expensive, $95. Here's the performance for you, and it has a double finale at the end, the last two. And we'll lift it up to show you the angle, especially the bore size. It's pretty good. Really puts on a nice show. All right, Groggy D coming up with this chain link. Chain link. amazing. Great willows. Everything.